Good morning, students. In last session, we discussed about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. And in continuation of that, the next topic is the displacement reaction. Then what is a displacement reaction? Then a reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. Then this reaction is called displacement reaction. It means सिंपल वर्ड्स में अगर हम कहें तो जो ज़्यादा ताकतवर है वो ऑब्वियसली कम ताकतवर को उसकी जगह से हटा सकता है ना. Then same here also, a more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. It is okay. Okay. Then the metal for that, which metal will have the more reactivity, which will have the less reactivity, for that a reactivity series is prepared. A metal reactivity series is a list that arranges the metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity. It means the metal which have the these all are arranged in a vertical order, and the most reactive will be at the top and the least reactive will be at the bottom. Is it okay? Then hydrogen, though not a metal, hydrogen is not a metal, but it is also included in this series. Why? Because it is not a metal, but still it behaves like a metal. Is it okay? Then what is the metal reactivity series? It is a list of the metals which are arranged in the decreasing order of the reactivity, and topmost will be at the top, most reactive will be at the top and the least reactive will be at the bottom. Okay, now see, this is the metal reactivity series. Now see one by one the metals which are placed in this. The first is potassium. Potassium is kept at the top. It means it is the it have the reactivity in अगर हम सबको compare करें तो सबसे ज़्यादा reactivity किसकी है? It will be of potassium. Then second number, sodium. You have to see the symbol as well as their name. First is potassium, then second is the sodium, third is calcium, then magnesium, and then aluminium, carbon, zinc, Fe, that is iron. Then tin, Sn is the formula, is the symbol of tin. Pb is the symbol of lead. Then hydrogen, it is hydrogen is H. Then Cu, Cu is copper. Ag is silver, and Au is gold, and last is the platinum. Then in the series you can see the topmost is the potassium, and the lowermost or at the bottom of this vertical order is the platinum. It means the most reactive is the potassium, most reactive is the the most reactive is potassium, and the least reactive is platinum. Okay, now see where is the position of hydrogen. Hydrogen is at this place. I told you, although hydrogen not a metal, but it is included in the series because it behaves like a metal. And okay, then next is silver, gold, platinum. These are present at the bottom of the reactivity series. These metals do not react with the neither acid, alkali, and water, and it means their reactivity is very less. They all are called the noble metals. They are called the noble metals because they do not react. Their reactivity is less. They do not react with the acid, alkali, and water. That's why they are called the noble metals. Okay. Then metals placed higher in the activity series are more reactive. Those the metal placed in the below. Now, for example, when the iron nail is put in the copper sulfate solution, iron is here and copper is in this position. Now see iron, and this is the copper. When iron nail is put in the copper sulfate solution, then tell me which one of these two, Fe, Fe and copper, which is more reactive? Obviously iron is more reactive. It means it can displace the copper sulfate, copper. It can displace the copper from the copper sulfate. Then the iron, the color of the solution change from the blue to light green, and a reddish color coating of the copper is seen on the iron nail because copper, this is the CuSO4 and Fe. Then the result will be This Fe will displace the Cu and the result will be FeSO4 plus Cu को अलग कर दिया गया है ना. ओरिजिनल सोल्यूशन किसका था? CuSO4 का, बट अब क्या हुआ? Fe Cu की जगह आ गया और बन गया FeSO4 और Cu को Fe ने अलग कर दिया क्योंकि Fe ज़्यादा पावरफुल था. It is more reactive, that's why it displaced the Cu. This type of reaction is called displacement reaction. What this reaction is called? Displacement reaction. Okay, now see one more reaction. Suppose it is a solution of FeSO4. What? FeSO4. And salt solution is of FeSO4. And ये reaction किससे हो रही है? Cu से. Then see the result. FeSO4 plus Cu. Cu क्या इस Fe को हटा पाएगा? ना. Why? Because the reactivity of Cu is less. And आयरन की रिएक्टिविटी ज़्यादा है तो Cu की पावर कम है. दैट्स वाई ये इसे रिप्लेस नहीं करेगा एंड द रिजल्ट विल बी नो रिएक्शन. गेटिंग? नो रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस. सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन था FeSO4 का. Cu लेस रिएक्टिव है, दैट्स वाई इट विल नॉट डिस्प्लेस Fe एंड नो रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस. गेटिंग? Okay. Now I will explain this in the next video also along with the equations and by giving the experimental also I will explain it. Now see the next. For displacement reaction, what will be formed during the reaction and if the reaction will take place or not. For that you should know the reactivity series. You have to learn the reactivity series. Every time you should be remember. तुम्हें याद होनी चाहिए this reactivity series. Then how you will learn it? Then for that, now see the trick is given to you. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver and gold. You have to learn it according to this statement. Now see, please stop calling me. Please stop calling me. Or careless zebra. Or for aluminium, careless Ca for carbon, zebra for jet zinc. Instead trying learning, instead iron, try tin and learning lead, how copper saves gold, how hydrogen, copper is copper, saves S for silver and G for gold. One more is there, that is the platinum. What is that? Platinum. You can say, you can write down here also how copper saves gold and platinum. Gold and platinum. Then you can add one more. The last is platinum. Getting? Once again see, P for potassium, S for sodium, Ca for calcium, M magnesium, A aluminium, and Ca is carbon, zebra, zinc. Instead, I, then chai, T for tin, Le for lead, S for hydrogen, copper is copper, saves silver, then gold and platinum, gold this, and the last is platinum. You can add in platinum also. Okay, last once again, please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold and platinum. Isn't easy? Okay, then enough for today. And you have to learn this series. Only with the help of this series, you can get the result of the displacement reaction. Either the one metal will displace the another metal from its salt solution or not. Okay, thanks for listening me.